The euro and the pound sterling are consolidating at the levels reached yesterday. They kept rising even despite weak economic data. Despite the extremely weak data on UK industrial production, the pound sterling managed to slightly increase. Industrial production slowed down to 0.1% versus the forecast reading of 0.7%. On top of that, the previous figure was downwardly revised to 0.2% from 1.4%. Apparently, industrial production is stagnating as it has not recovered yet from the coronavirus crisis. Since the very beginning of this year, traders tend to ignore any statistics save for the US ones. Perhaps the pound sterling and the euro are climbing higher in anticipation of a batch of US macro stats. Analysts predict a drop in US retail sales to 17% from 18.2%. If so, it will signal a slowdown in consumer activity, which is the main driver of the US economy. Yet the US dollar is unlikely to resume a long-term decline as its growth may be facilitated by industrial production data. The figure is projected to rise to 5.4% from 5.3%, and it will soothe the negative mood of traders after discouraging retail sales data. And let's look at the trading charts. The euro-dollar pair managed to break out of the long-term sideways range, resuming an upward movement. As a result, it gained more than 120 pips. Despite the overbought status, demand for the euro remains high. On the chart, it's indicated by stepwise price movement. If there are more signs of inertial movement, the euro may reach 1.1625. Technical indicators will give a buy signal after the price consolidates above the 1.1485 mark on the 4-hour chart. An alternative scenario suggests a rebound to 1.1440. If so, it's recommended to go short. And the pound-dollar pair has been growing for the third consecutive week, triggering huge price changes. The pound sterling has been able to add 550 pips, having recouped losses from the downtrend by more than 50%. It's highly overbought, but speculators pay zero attention to it. This is why analysts believe that this is an inertial movement. The main scenario remains bullish despite some trend reversal signals. The volume of long positions spikes if the price consolidates above 1.3750. It will open the way to the resistance level of 1.3800. Analysts warn that the pair may slow down its growth near that level and enter the correction phase. How is trading going to unfold in the short term? We will definitely tell you in our next video reviews. Don't miss them and stay up to date with the latest market news with us. See you!